Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on multiple different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Bitcoin video. Now, at this moment, we do have a whole lot of volatility over in the crypto market, and especially with Bitcoin right now, there's been a lot of selling off, but it's also at one point was a green day and a red day. That's why we have this really large daily candlestick here. As you can see, things have been a bit wild, a lot of volatility. The thing here is that the FOMC meeting was today, and the announcement of 75 basis points, as expected, was what was put in, and that was a good thing. But of course, when Jerome Powell did speak, as always, things did make a turn for the worse, and we did see a bit of selling off that had followed after that. Now, this is most likely just a bit of daily volatility, and we're probably going to be seeing a little bit more continued volatility, as of course we're going to be looking forward to that CPI data coming out as well soon. So things are going to be all over the place here in the crypto market for a while, but hopefully not too long. But of course, we have another FOMC meeting next month as well. So we're going to just have to get used to these rate hikes for now, as the Fed goes to, of course, tighten their balance sheet and things do that at this moment. So as far as Bitcoin is going at the moment, it's still above $20,000. So that's where we really want it. We want to manage to stay above that $20,000 price because, well, what's really key with that is that's where Bitcoin's 50-day moving average is. So we're still above Bitcoin's 50-day moving average. Really good to hold on to that and hopefully see Bitcoin continue to work its way up, hopefully soon, to overtake that 100-day moving average. So that's the big thing there that Bitcoin is currently working on now. After it passes that 100-day moving average, that is at a price of $21,100 right now. If it gets above that, then Bitcoin then needs to work its way up to that 200-day moving average. That's at the price of $25,000. So if you look over at our Fibonacci retracement here, let's just turn some things off here. So that these prices that Bitcoin needs to work on to go get over, that's also within where our wave one is within our top Fibonacci level. That's of course where our wave one had completed in the middle of August at a price of around $25,000, and the starting point of that wave one was at Bitcoin's 52-week low, where it was priced around $17,500. So that was over a period of 2 months that we had completed that wave one. We've completed the wave two so far because, well, the technicals don't tell us anything otherwise, and we had completed that wave two on October 13th. So now we're within a wave three right now, hopefully. And hopefully within all this, we can go and retrace that 50% Fibonacci level. That's also around where our 100-day moving average is, that we need to be getting over that $21,000 price. Very key price for Bitcoin to be getting over. So a lot really going on here. But of course, retracing where that wave one is, that's where our 200-day moving average is. And some more really important things about all this. If we look at this wave one and we look at where that 100-day moving average was at that time, that was a very key price to be getting over then. So that 100-day moving average was a very key area of resistance for Bitcoin. So if we're managing to actually break that 100-day moving average this go around, then we'll probably see a lot larger price movements with Bitcoin as we see such happen. And hopefully we'll see it go break above to its 200-day moving average. Now, looking over at our bull market support band, we're really close to being up within that as well. We've made attempts already to actually get inside of that. Now, the bull market support band, to be on the other side of that, which currently it's the bear market resistance band, the bull market support band starts at a price of around $23,000. If we were to be on the other side of that and work our way up to that 200-day moving average, get above that $25,000 price, things could get a bit crazy here. But it's all about seeing how these current situations that we have planned here, the next CPI data and all that stuff, how that all comes out and how that can play a big factor in the current state of the crypto market, the stock market, and of course, everything else. So this is what we're currently working on. So really, 21,000 is the key price. If we can't hold on to this 50-day moving average, if we can't keep Bitcoin above $20,000, then we might be seeing this little rally here, possibly making a turn and hopefully not go down much lower. I'm really hoping that we don't see things turn around here within the crypto market. I'm still hoping cross my fingers that crypto could start making some moves to the upside. As you know, we've been within this falling wedge for a very long time with Bitcoin, and we recently just broke out of it. And this was from when we had started our all-time high with Bitcoin, when its price was nearly $70,000. It went down within 5 waves, and it had its 52-week low at that price of $17,500, the beginning of our wave 1. So since then, this wave 3 that we're currently in, this wave 3 has been this big breakout wave, and there's a lot of potential here to really see the possibility of Bitcoin going to a much higher price. Now, I'm thinking that the price of Bitcoin could possibly go somewhere between the price of $30,000 to even $50,000 within the wave 3. And I know that sounds very bullish, but that's just all about retracing either where the wave 4 to the downside was, which was around the price of $30,000, or around to where the wave 2 was to the downside, and that was at a price of around $48,000. So somewhere between there, I think this wave 3 has a possibility of going to, and that's what I'm hoping for. Cross my fingers with that one. So now panning in here on the 4-hour chart, what we have is Bitcoin's currently down below this Fibonacci level, that $20,500 Fibonacci level, but still holding above that 50-day moving average. So that's good, and hopefully we can go and work back our way up above that Fibonacci level. We'll see most likely a larger candlestick as we do that. And then at that point, then I really think that there's that possibility that we could be breaking through that 100-day moving average. Really, we just have to kind of get out of all this volatility that we're currently in. But at some point here, possibly after the CPI data comes out, we'll probably be seeing the price of Bitcoin hopefully moving to the upside, especially if there is some sort of news about inflation slowing down a little bit. If we have some sort of update with that, that would be very beneficial over in the crypto market. So I'm hoping that we're still within this wave 3. This wave 3 is going to continue, and things are not going to be making a turn. So I'm going to stay bullish. So if you guys do like bullish content, do please consider subscribing, because that's where I'm currently at with Bitcoin. I'm really hoping that we're going to keep seeing Bitcoin start pumping through these different Fibonacci levels, because the crypto market, there's been a lot of cryptocurrencies that have been showing a lot of bullish activity. I'm not just referring to, of course, Dogecoin, but there's other ones like Quant and XRP and such that are doing very well on their own. So anyways, if Bitcoin is able to manage doing this, those key prices that we're looking forward to, first breaking through this Fibonacci level that we just fell under, $20,500, work our way up to that 50% Fibonacci level. That's around our 100-day moving average, that $21,000 price. And then if we can get really lucky, we can get above to that $25,000 price for Bitcoin and go above that wave 1 and really see this wave 3 take off from there. So that's where I'm at right now. Now I do daily updates with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I talk about different altcoins every single day as well. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing, and a like really does go a long way. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump on the next cryptocurrency to talk about. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.